Hello everyone, greeting from Superworks. In today's video, I will show you how to use the web and application usage dashboard in your organization to track which websites and applications are being used, their productivity status and detailed employee usage. So let's get started. So to check the web and application, first of all, I just have to click on this web and app. Now let's look in the website option. So here you can see which websites are used the most in your organization, whether each website is productive, unproductive or unrated. In the dashboard, you will see the website name where you will be able to know which website is most frequently used in your organization. Moving forward with the time tracked options, from here you will be able to check how much time all the employees are spending on this particular website. And in the productivity column, here you will be able to check whether that website is productive, unproductive or unrated. You can also filter this data daily or monthly wise. Also, I can keep the filter of actives, all employees and inactive accordingly to check the productivity of the employees. And here in the productivity type, if I select only productive option, so I will be able to see the productive column only. And if I am selecting the column of unrated, so I will be able to just visible the unrated option. So if you want only one single column here, so you can make it from here. Additionally, if you want to know which employee used a specific website and for how many minutes, so simply click on the website name. Here you will be able to get a detailed employee wise breakdown. Now let's move forward to the application part. You can see which applications are used the most in your organization, whether each application is productive, unproductive or it is unrated. In this section you will find application name where you will be able to check which application are most frequently used. In the time tracked option, here I will be able to check how much time all the employees are spending on that particular application. And in the productivity column, I will be able to check how productive, unproductive or unrated an application is. Just like the website section, you can filter the data by daily or monthly. You can select the active or inactive employees, or if you want to check for all the employees, you can select the filter accordingly. And here also I can mention that column only which I want here. Like if I want to check only productive column, so I will be just selecting the productive option. And to see which employee used a specific application for how long, just click on the application button. Here you will be get a detailed breakdown of employee usage. So that's a complete overview of the web and application usage dashboard. This dashboard helps you to monitor employee activity, identify productive and unproductive tools, and make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency. So that's all for the today's video. In the next video, we will be discussing about the reports which we are having in the SuperTrack application. Till that, thank you so much for watching.